I'm a third-generation pilot. My grandfather flew P-38s in World War II. My dad owned a manufacturing business and bought and sold airplanes. And I grew up traveling around the country with my dad. I remember my dad saying, "The airplane paid for itself today." That always struck me as pretty cool, that by using a business airplane you could get to 5 different cities in a couple of days and have meetings that would otherwise take a whole week's worth of travel to do that. There really is a lot to say about the value of time.
I think that in all the technology that's around in this world, people sometimes miss the fact that they are able to get in front of someone face to face, and then I do think that our clients benefit tremendously from that.
Individuals or businesses that are new to the aviation industry, it can be intimidating the amount of information there is to know.
And that's where we come into play.
We offer 2 different sides of the house, but they're highly intertwined. One is we offer turnkey management of aircraft, and 2 is we offer sales and brokerage and acquisition of aircraft.
What we do is we've created our own market analysis of every aircraft that we manage, the Pilatus, the XLSs, and onward. We look at each aircraft that's out there for sale, each aircraft that's out there that's not for sale, and we get a real-time understanding of what the value of the aircraft currently is.
When you're using a company that has a vested interest in a long-term relationship with you, you're going to end up with a better deal at the end of the day, because we're not going to walk away when the aircraft transaction's over. We're going to be in it for the long haul and managing your aircraft. Anything we do in our business is filtered through the lens of how do we serve our customers better.
If we're going to live that brand, we need to be able to demonstrate that. So we became one of 725 worldwide aircraft operators to be recognized by the International Standard of Business Aircraft Operators.
For us, it does a couple of things. First off, it allows us to subscribe to some standard operating procedures to get all of our pilots on the same sheet of music, all of our aircraft standardized, and it allows us to hold ourselves to a higher standard and show our clients that they're getting more value for their money. We're not just out there flying around the way we want to fly. We're out there flying around in a safe, consistent manner. Really, the cornerstone of the ISBAO is an operable safety management system. So that includes not only a tool that allows us to assess the risks of each and every leg of flight. It allows us to mitigate risk to the lowest possible level prior to taking the flight, incident reporting, any sort of hazards that not only involve aviation or aviation operations, but just overall operations in the workplace.
Check CVR. Check.
It basically tells people that we are committed to safety, and the company has always been committed to safety.
The ultimate goal is always the safety of the flight, also matched by the fact that the care of the clients.
If you can make our customers' airplanes safer and make our operation safer in general, then that's a win-win for both us and our customers at the end of the day.
We are Vaerus Aviation, and the Latin word Vaerus, spelled V-E-R-U-S, is defined as true, genuine, veracious, fair, reasonable, authentic, honest, and sincere.
I think it fits the group we have really well because all of us strive to do our best, and all of us want to, at the end of the day, make the clients happy with the product. We want an open line of communication. I think that's another thing that Vaerus stresses with the truth and honesty is the communication has to be honest between our clients and us. We're not going to feed anybody anything that's not true just to make them happy. We're going to communicate with them honestly, and we want them to do the same back to us. So if we're not doing something exactly how they want it, we want to hear that from them. We're constantly striving to improve, and I think that's what makes us a special company, is the constant want to be better.